got back from breakfast today, we found this note and these safety sticks in our room. Looks like they've got some electrical issues they have to fix tonight, so the power is going to be out from 11 p.m. to about 4 a.m. We'll probably be asleep at that time, but they did give us some glow sticks to light our way if we need to. The funny part is they expired back in October. But for now, we're going to head down to Waikiki Beach and find some lunch, and then maybe see if we can find a luau to go to tonight. You have to put up with this because we took you to Hawaii and
I know.
Coconut shrimp and Waikiki.
we're off looking for the Tommy Bahama store. Kyle's in charge of finding it. I'm pretty sure he can do it. What do you think?
50-50.
Don't let her lie. She thinks there's no way he's gonna find it. She thinks we're completely lost, but we'll see. There's what?
Yeah, because it looks like. Oh, there's a hard rock.
I know. So I think maybe walk down here for supper some night.
I was more focused on the Corvette that just walked by.
Okay, look what's right across the street.
Mom was incorrect. There's the Tommy Bahamas and Hard Rock right next to each other.
More importantly, Mom was incorrect than Dad was. I find it very convenient that when she said that Dad was correct, the car drove by and drowned out her words. But that's okay. We did find the Tommy Bahama store, and I got a new shirt for the luau tonight. I know Dana and I are excited to go to the luau, but I kind of wonder what Kyle's inner child would think about it. So what do you want to go see now?
Can we go see a playground?
Where?
At the luau.
What do you want to see?
The playground at the luau.
You do.
Yep.
Since we were in Hawaii, one of the things we thought we should do is go to a luau. We just got home from the Waikiki Starlight Luau over at the Hilton Village. We were actually pretty disappointed in it. One, it was raining, so they had to move it inside, which isn't their fault. But the ambiance still wasn't the greatest. Two, there were so many people that by the time we got our food, it was cold. So the food wasn't the greatest. And three, it was actually pretty expensive. We paid close to $350. On top of that, since we were planning on going to South Carolina, I didn't have any really dress clothes with me, so I had to go out and buy a new Tommy Bahama shirt. Not that that's the end of the world, but that was also another added expense we hadn't planned on. So overall, we were pretty disappointed by the night. We had a fun day walking around the beach and eating lunch by the beach and that kind of stuff. But tomorrow we're going to go to Pearl Harbor, and hopefully that will be more fun, even though they do say it's supposed to rain tomorrow. So we'll see how that turns out. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you next time as we continue to do it across America.